After you send a contract via DocuSign, now let's walk through what your clients would see and do when they receive a notification from DocuSign. So step 1, your clients will receive an email in their inbox from DocuSign. They'll click on the yellow button for Review Document. They'll also see your message here, so if you customized a message and sent them, they will see that in the inbox as well. Click on the yellow button for Review Document, and it will bring up the screen, and it will show them the contract that you signed them. So it'll say, please review the document below. So they'll be able to scroll through and read everything, and if they're okay with everything that they see, then there's a button here that says click here for sign. They can click there, and it will show a preview of a DocuSignature, or they can also select to draw their own signature. But if they use the DocuSign one, they can click on the button that says Adopt and Sign, and then their signature is entered, and then all they need to do is click the Finish button at the top. And when they do that, DocuSign will prompt them that says that you can save a copy of this document. They don't need to do that at this time since it's only half complete, so they should just click No Thanks. And then DocuSign will say you're done to your client, and that they will receive an email once everybody has signed. So when your clients have signed, you will receive a notification that your client has signed. So this is what your screen would look like. You would get an email that says it's time for you to sign. So you will click the same thing. You will click on the button for Review Document. And you will scroll through, and there will be your placeholder for you to sign. So you click the button. And if you've already used DocuSign in the past, it will have your signature in there. And then all you have to do is click the Finish button at the top right corner. I'll click No Thanks. And then it says you're done. And so an email copy to everybody on your client as well as yourself. DocuSign will say that everything's been completed and will actually email a copy of the contract to all of you. So here's what this email looks like from DocuSign. It will say it's been completed, and will actually even also attach the PDF file that includes now both your client's signature as well as yours. And then you're done.